and welcome to Exposing Truth Ministry for another health nugget. Listen, can you feel it? Do you feel the beat? Well, we're going to hear about beet today, a different kind of beet that is very, very interesting and that is really good for your body. Remember, the information we share is to encourage you to study more, to learn how to live a better and a healthier life for Jesus. Why? Because he wants you to prosper and be in good health even as your soul prosper. Andrea, what kind of beat are we talking about? Are we talking about jazz? Are we talking about classical?
Upbeat.
Upbeat. Take it
Yes.
away, Andrea.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Hello again this morning, this afternoon. I'll share some of my research I've done on beetroot. And I must tell you that this was inspired by my brother, who recently told me he had an eye problem where he wasn't seeing the computer screen properly at work. And he said he had tested the fact that in 3 days after drinking water infused beet water, the vision cleared up and he's seeing clearly now. I actually said to him, but I bet you had taken out a lot of those junk out of your regular eating habits. And he laughs and he says yes, because he and I started on a discussion journey together, because we are coming from a situation of eating meat. But as we discover more and more how incorporating healthy habits into our diet can really make a difference with our health, we have these discussions and we share our experiences as we try to infuse and incorporate plant-based diet into what we do now. So let's go into the health benefits of beetroot. In Daniel 1, 8, 12, and 15, we see where, but Daniel purposed in his heart that he would not defile himself with the portion of the king's meat, nor with the wine which he drank. Therefore he requested of the prince of the eunuchs that he might not defile himself. Prove thy servants, I beseech thee, 10 days, and let them give us pulse to eat and water to drink. And at the end of the 10 days, their countenances appeared fairer and fatter in flesh than all the children which did eat the portion of the king's meat. So we look at the pulse today, which is beetroot. Beetroot, the red part of the beet plant, which has been eaten since ancient times, are a vibrant and versatile type of vegetable. Commonly referred to as beets, these ruby gems are referred to as a superfood because of their rich nutritional profile. Beets are known for their earthy flavor and aroma and brings a pop of color to your plate. Loaded with nutrients and relatively low in calories, beets provide a good source of folate, manganese, copper, and a bit of almost all of the vitamins and minerals your body needs. Beetroot is an excellent source of potassium, vitamin A, iron, and other nutrients. Beets come in red, yellow, and candy cane hues. So whether you roast, boil, juice, or saute them, they work to add flair and flavor to your meal. Beets have many helpful plant compounds that reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. Incorporating beetroot into your diet is an excellent way to boost your eye health. It is packed with essential nutrients that are known to slow sight loss conditions like diabetic retinopathy and macular degeneration, making it a key player in the fight against blindness. I guess that was Brian's situation. Decreases your risk for heart disease, supports your liver, it helps to detox the body, it supports healthy digestion, boosts brain health, strengthens your bones. Beetroot also increases stamina and lowers blood pressure. Beets are naturally high in nitrates, which are turned into nitric oxide in the body. This compound lowers blood pressure by causing the blood vessels to relax and widen. Beetroot and its juice helps your heart and lungs work better during exercise. Nitric oxide from beets increases blood flow to your muscles. Some athletes eat beetroot or drink beet juice when exercising to improve their performance. Beetroot also boosts your immune system. Beets are high in fiber and promote the growth of good bacteria in your gut. Having plenty of healthy bacteria in your digestive system helps fight disease and boosts your immune system. Fiber also improves digestion and reduces the risk of constipation. Tips for using beets. It's so bright and fresh. Beets can be juiced, roasted, steamed, pickled, enjoyed raw, either thinly sliced or grated. Eating beets raw or juicing and roasting them may be more beneficial than boiling them. And this is because dietary nitrates are water soluble. So it's best to avoid boiling beets if you would like to maximize their nitrate content. Beets are delicious and easy to incorporate into your diet in dishes like balsamic roasted beets, hummus, fries, and salads. We are doing a salad. Grated beets make a flavorful and colorful addition to coleslaw or other salads. Grate raw beets and carrots and serve with a vinaigrette. You can make it in a dip. Beets blended with Greek yogurt and fresh garlic make a delicious, healthy, and colorful dip. Make an attention-grabbing purple dip with pureed beets and ranch dressing. That's for those like me who like the easy way. Juice. Fresh beetroot juice can be blended with carrots, apple, celery, ginger, and lemon or orange juice for flavor. For making soup. The borscht is a popular soup in Eastern Europe and Northeast Asia. This is a hearty beet soup that is loaded with a variety of vegetables. It is wholesome, flavorful, and healthy. Go research and go try it. The leaves of the beet, you can cook and enjoy fresh beet leaves similarly to how you would use spinach. And in roasting them, you can wedge the beetroots and toss them a little with olive oil, salt, pepper, herbs, or spices of your choice, and roast them in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 15 to 20 minutes until they are tender. And it's a nice way, like you can slice it thinly and use it as chips. We know potato chips, but we have beet chips too. Precautions. Can you eat beets every day? Eating a small amount of beetroot every day is unlikely to do any harm, but a high intake could lead to low blood pressure, red or black urine and feces, and digestive problems for anyone with a sensitivity to the nutrients. A high daily beet consumption may also mean you are not getting nutrients from other foods, so try to vary your diet. Always speak with a doctor before making significant dietary changes. And in conclusion, beetroot is a delicious and versatile vegetable that is easy to add to your diet. If possible, choose beets that feel heavy for their size with fresh, unwilted green leafy tops still attached. Good health and blessings to you all. And that's it for today.
Thank you. Yes, thank you so much for sharing. Who would have thought that beet is so good for you? Viewers who are watching, have you incorporated beet in your diet? Have you used it for any as a health remedy or anything like that? Let us know in the comment below. And remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will know when a new health nugget is available. As always, thank you so much for watching, and God bless you and prosper you, and may you continue to be in good health even as your soul prosper.